Chapter 5 Exponents and Powers, Class 7, Exercise 5.2 Solution from Viva Education Publication Textbook, ICC Mathematics. So let's start the solution of 5.2 exercise. In this video, I am going to solve only 7 questions because this exercise has 14 questions. So out of that, I will be solving 1 to 7 questions. So let's start. By what number should 2 raised to the power of negative 3 be multiplied to get the product 16? So this is the solution for you. 2 raised to the power of negative 3 multiplied by dash is equal to 16. Now 16 is nothing but 2 raised to 4. So when you multiply something, you will have to divide the product by the multiplier or multiplier. So we will divide 2 raised to 4 by 2 raised to negative 3, and that will give you 2 raised to 4 minus of minus negative 3, and that will give you 2 raised to 4 plus 3, which is 2 raised to 7. So answer of the first question is 2 raised to 7. Now the second question. By what number should 3 raised to negative 1 be multiplied to get the product 6 raised to negative 1? This is also similar to the first question. You have to divide 6 raised to negative 1 by 3 raised to negative 1, and that will give you 6 raised to negative 1 divided by 3 raised to negative 1. Now 6 we have to factorize into 2 into 3 raised to the power of negative 1 divided by 3 raised to negative 1, which will give you 2 raised to negative 1 into 3 raised to negative 1. According to the law of exponents, a into b whole raised to m will be equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. So this law is applied here. Divided by 3 raised to negative 1, that is 3 raised to negative 1 and 3 raised to negative 1 will get cancelled, and we'll get 2 raised to negative 1 as the answer. When you write into positive index, it will be 1 upon 2 whole raised to 1, that is equal to 1 upon 2. You know, you have learned that law of exponent a raised to negative m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. So therefore 2 becomes 1 upon 2 and the exponent becomes positive. Now third question. By what number should negative 9 raised to the power of negative 1 be divided to get the quotient 18 divided by 1? Now here there is a division. We are given the dividend and we have to find the divisor. So dividend is negative 9 divided by raised to the power of 1 divided by divisor equal to quotient is 18 raised to the power of negative 1. So when you have to find the divisor, we will have to divide the dividend by the quotient, and therefore negative 9 raised to the power of negative 1 divided by 18 raised to the power of negative 1. Now negative 9 upon 18 whole raised to the power of negative 1, because again a raised to m upon b raised to m is equal to a upon b whole raised to m. So that law is applicable here. So negative 1 upon 2, we reduce this to the lowest term, which will give you negative 1 upon 2 raised to the power of negative 1. Now again, as I have told you in the beginning, in the previous question, a raised to the power of negative m is 1 upon a raised to m. So here negative 1 upon 2 will give you the reciprocal is negative 2 and raised to 1. So that is the answer. simplify using the laws of exponents. So you have to mention the law. Negative 3 raised to 5 into negative 3 raised to 2 into negative 3 raised to 1. So all bases are same, so we have to add the index or exponent. So negative 3 raised to the power of 5 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to negative 3 raised to the power of 8, because a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n gives you a raised to m plus n. Here multiplication sign should be there, instead addition side by mistake come here. So it is mistake there, so please correct it. A raised to m multiplied by a raised to n gives you a raised to m plus n. B question, 6 raised to 11 multiplied by 6 raised to 7 into 6 raised to 3. So we have to add all the 11 plus 7 plus 3, and then this bracket divided by 6 raised to 5. So that is, will give you 6 raised to 21 divided by 6 raised to 5 equal to 6 raised to 21 minus 5, that is 6 raised to 16. Here two laws are applied. First is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, and a raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. 3 raised to 2 bracket raised to 3 divided by 3 raised to 5. So 3 raised to 2 bracket raised to 3 gives you 3 raised to 2 into 3 divided by 3 raised to 5. That gives you 3 raised to 6 divided by 3 raised to 5, and that is equal to 3 raised to 6 minus 5, and that gives you 3 raised to 1, which is equal to 3. D question. Negative 5 raised to the power of 2 to the power of 3 into negative 5 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2 will be equal to, now we have to again law of a raised to m raised to n. So a raised to m into n. So negative 5 2 into 3 into negative 5 negative 3 into 2. So that gives you negative 5 raised to 6 multiplied by negative 5 raised to negative 6. Now the bases are same, so we have to add the indices or the exponents. So negative 5 raised to the power of 6 minus into bracket negative 6 gives you negative 5 raised to 12. So here a raised to m bracket raised to n equal to a raised to a into m, that is a raised to mn is m into a. State true or false, justify your answer. 3 into 5 raised to 3 is 15 raised to 3 is a false statement, because 3 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3 will give you 3 into 5 raised to the bracket raised to 3, that is 15 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is greater than 3 raised to 2 is false, because 2 raised to 3 equal to 8 and 3 raised to 2 equal to 9. So 8 is less than 9, so this is a false statement. 5 raised to 3 into 6 raised to 3 equal to 30 raised to 3, true, because 5 into 6 raised to the power of 3, that is 30 raised to 3, as per the law a raised to m into b raised to m equal to a into b raised to the power of m. 3 raised to 0 into 2 raised to 0 equal to 5 raised to 0, true, because 3 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 0 is 1, and 1 into 1 is 1, and therefore 1 will be nothing but 5 raised to 0. Simplify each of the following. Here 49 is 7 raised to 2, 7 raised to 3, 100 is 10 raised to 2 divided by 10 raised to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 7 raised to 2, it is not 22. So 7 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 minus 2 divided by 10 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 3 raised to power 3. So 7 raised to 3 gives you divided by 10 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 3, which will give you 7 raised to 3 is nothing but 343 divided by 10 plus 27, that is 343 divided by 270. Then B question, 121 into 5 raised to 2 divided by 11 raised to 2 into 5, that is 11 raised to 2, because 121 is nothing but 11 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2 divided by 11 raised to 2 into 5, that is 11 raised to the power of 2 minus 2 and 5 raised to the power of 2 minus 1, that is equal to 11 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 1, that is nothing but 1 into 5 raised to 1, that is 5. Simplify each of the following. Third question, that is C. A raised to 3 into B raised to 2 into B raised to 3 into A raised to 2 divided by A raised to 2 into B. The solution of that is A raised to 3, we combine the same basis. So A raised to 3 plus 2 minus 2 multiplied by B raised to 2 plus 3 minus 1, and that gives you A raised to 3 into B raised to 4, because 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 raised to 9 into 4 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2 divided by 16 into 10 raised to 2. 2 raised to 9 into 2 raised to 4, because 4 square means 2 raised to 4, into 5 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 4 into 2 into 5 whole raised to 2, because 10 means factorize 2 into 5 and whole raised to 2. So now this will give you 2 raised to 9 minus, that is 2 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 0, that is 2 raised to 7 into 1, that is equal to 2 raised to 7, which is 128. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now the last question, sixth question.